Hello, welcome to Open Source from Home YouTube channel, where you can learn open source from home. Today I'm going to talk about Ventoy. Ventoy is an open source tool to create bootable USB drives. With Ventoy you don't need to format the disk over and over again. You can copy as many image files as you want at a time, and Ventoy will give you a boot menu to select from them. So how do I run Ventoy on Debian 13 KDE? Download the Linux version from official website, that one with tar.gz, and then extract the folder. Okay, when you extracted the folder, that's enough. You install the Ventoy, but how do I run it? Now it's time to open on Debian 13 KDE. So I found the easiest way, and the easiest way is to find the folder where Ventoy is installed and open random folder. I don't know it's a bug or it's a feature, but sometimes console opens the previous folder. I click open folder with another program and find the console. So how I said that opens previous folder, and I don't know why. So I just click the random folder and now it opens the right folder. And write just only one command, sudo bash VentoyWeb.sh, and open your favorite browser and copy this guy. Here it is. Here is Ventoy. Just choose USB stick. If needed, click refresh and install. How do I suppose install all the ISOs images in Ventoy? After the Ventoy installation, you will see Ventoy partition. Just copy and drag your ISO files there. And when you boot up computer, you can select what ISO to boot. Enough for now, and we will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.